Hello, good morning. Hope you're all doing okay today. So for those who've been joining me live each day from the 28th of April, welcome back. And for those who are new here today, welcome. And congratulations to those who've been continuing with your practice for the 21-day challenge. And like we say, is that when you practice something for 21 days, it creates lasting change. And you can go back and find any of the videos on YouTube and the little shorts that are on the channel here. So welcome, thanks for being here. You're awesome. Remember that every day, and taking this time for you. And even if it's 10 minutes a day, whether it's here with me or whether it's with taking some time for yourself and to love and nurture and care for yourself, like we said yesterday. So awesome. I can see people coming on now, so that's cool. I wanted to just touch on snoring because I believe I was snoring, and I know that I've been moving through some stuff myself this week, and I know that a lot of people snore. But as I was I'm going to touch on a couple of things, and we're going to tap on a couple of things. So this may seem silly, but if you tap on the side of the hand as we go and as I'm speaking, it brings us into a presence, and so you'll understand as I go along. So this book that I spoke about the other day, which is the Complete Dictionary of Ailments and Diseases, and it's dealing with conflicted thoughts, feelings and emotions at the root of all illness. But so any time we're out of balance, we our body's always giving us signals. So if we're out of balance with something, there's this book is always a great reference for me to have a look and see what's going on within me, and sort of affirms or confirms things that I may already know myself or whatever. So snoring. The noise that I produce while breathing during my sleep, obvious, due to an obstacle between my nasal airways and the larynx, is called snoring. If I snore, I must ask myself some questions. Am I clinging to my old ideas, attitudes, or material possessions? Do I stubbornly insist on staying in a relationship or in a certain situation that is not beneficial for me? Am I tired? Am I stagnating in my old living patterns which shackle my freedom? If my sinuses are congested, what is the thing that I find difficult to breathe and that follows me even during the night? My spouse's scent or perfume, for example. Or maybe I want to catch my spouse who is sleeping next to me and remove the distance separating us, physically as well as emotionally. I thus try to get closer to him. Do I want to tell my spouse during the night everything I was unable to express in words during the day? If I feel my requests are not being heard, I tend to snore, and my unconscious continues to express itself all night because I can't express it otherwise. I feel trapped either in my relationship with my spouse or in some other personal relationship. It is important to see whether the snoring is produced during inspiration or expiration. If it is during inspiration, it is as if I'm calling for help. If it is during expiration, I want to move danger away. So that's interesting, isn't it? Well, I find it interesting anyway. And so even during our sleep, we're subconsciously, processing things, and, our body is giving us signals that we can pay attention to. So, let's go, even though so you can start repeating now, and we'll go through the tapping points, because there is also an affirmation with this book, and this book can be used as a healing tool that can be it can be used as a healing tool as well, but I'm going to sort of combine what we've said about snoring. So the things that I've picked up on in there is am I clinging to old ideas, attitudes, or material possessions? So even though I may be clinging to old ideas, attitudes, or material possessions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel tired and stagnating in old living patterns, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I want to feel closer to my spouse and I feel that there's some distance between us, and I'm holding on to old patterns or behaviours, attitudes and material possessions, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I know that I'm okay. So then we go to the inside of the eye. I feel uncertain and attached to old ideas and attitudes. I may be snoring because there's things that I'm uncertain about in my life. I accept to learn how to let go and to make room for something new. Because even though I feel uncomfortable and my body is showing me that this, even in my sleep, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I feel uncertain and realise that I'm attached to old ideas and attitudes. And I choose to release and let these go now. I feel uncertain about my choices and decisions, but that's okay, because it's okay to not be okay sometimes. And now that I know, I can make changes to love and support and nurture myself. And even though I may feel uncomfortable and tentative about expressing myself in my waking life, I choose to honour my own heart and show up anyway. Even though I feel uncertain and resistance. And this seems to be coming out in my sleep. That I might be snoring. Because there's something in my waking life that I feel afraid to speak or share. But now that I know this, I can do something about it. I open my heart and I know that I am safe to be me in every moment. Whatever the judgments of others may be, and whatever the judgments of myself may be. And I choose to release any resistance I may be having now. I release any fear of just being me. and speaking my truth and being authentic in who I am. I forgive myself and anyone else who may have caused me harm by their harmful behaviour, words and actions. And any harmful behaviours that I'm repeating, self-destructive behaviours. I choose to release this now. I choose to allow myself to be just as I am. Pay attention to my own body signals and do what it feels right and aligned for me. It's not my business what others may think of me. And I may not be the full biscuit, but that's cool and that's okay. I choose to accept myself just as I am. I am worthy. I am confident. I breathe in self-esteem and self-worth. And I choose to change my old attitudes and beliefs that make other people's opinion of me more important than my own. I appreciate all comments and take it for self-reflection. Because I am awesome. And anyone else who can't see that can jog on. I choose to release any negative attitudes and behaviours within myself. And I breathe in confidence, self-esteem and self-worth. Even if it feels uncomfortable, I release this now. I release this feeling of discomfort. As I'm choosing to show up every day, just as I am. And giving myself the love and care and nurture and support that I may need. I release any attitudes, negative attitudes, patterns of behaviour, feelings of self-doubt. And I choose to have a great day. I choose to feel good about being me. I am free to be me. I am worthy. I am always worthy. I am confident. I am worthy. And in every breath, I am valuable. Just being here. I breathe in self-esteem, self-confidence and self-worth. And I choose to show up as the best version of me. Even if that might be a little bonkers to someone else. That's okay. Because it doesn't actually matter what anyone else thinks of me. And I release any concerns or worries about that now. I'm free to be me. Confident, self-assured, relaxed. I am safe. I am loved. And all is well in my world. Big deep breath. Take care of you today. Have a great one. And be drinking water. It's always good to do it to anything that helps you to feel good in your day. This is a good release, and anything that helps you to feel better or more aligned or free of anxiety or stress or worry is only a good thing. So have a great day. You are awesome. Thanks for being here. You can catch the replays on the YouTube channel, and I'm sending you huge love. Thank you. Bye.